Welcome to Agoracom, small cap epicenter in Agoracom TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, September the 12th, I've got 5 press releases for you. Let's start you off first for our friends in the U.S. with T3 Motion, trades on the Amex on the stock symbol TTTM, that's triple TM. They announced an expanded international footprint of its electric vehicles into Saudi Arabia. They received a blanket purchase order of $1.8 million. This is a producer of clean tech, green tech, electric personal mobility service vehicles, luxury cars, which is a luxury cart, which is a Saudi Arabian company, has been selected to exclusively distribute T3 stand-up vehicles, their electric vehicles in Saudi Arabia. Those are going to be used to supply law enforcement agencies and security companies throughout the country. They've already received their initial order for $231,000. This further solidifies their position in the Middle East, where they already have contractual agreements in Qatar, Iraq, Kuwait, Lebanon, Egypt, and the UAE. And they're saying, for the record, that the Ministry of the Interior in Kuwait is expected to release an order for a significant number of T3's electric stand-up vehicles. I find this ironic given the fact that they're electric and a lot of this taking place in the Middle East. Hopefully you see the irony there. They closed yesterday at $1.24. This morning, T3 is bidding $124 to $136. No change. Next up, American Vanadium trades on the venture under AVC. And for our friends in Frankfurt, Zero UA, they're announcing a positive feasibility study for the Gibellini Vanadium project, which is located in Nevada. Let's give you the highlights here. After-tax cash flow, $275 million, internal rate of return 43%, net present value $170 million with a 2.5-year payback on investment from startup. That's pretty good. It is a small project, but this is significantly better than the grassroots stuff, and it's got a 2.5-year payback. I love that. They got some other details there. Go take a look. Vanadium, if you don't know, if it's the first time you're hearing about it, and you should be looking into it, is a critical alloy metal used to strengthen steel and is also growing in importance. This is, I think, where it's most important in the emerging use of mass energy storage and next-generation lithium vanadium batteries. In essence, they're extending the life of these batteries, of these new-age batteries. Are going to be used in all our new devices here. American Vanadium today up nicely, 9.7%. It's early. It's only 10,000 shares, but they're up 8 cents to $1.41. So the market likes this news. International Northair Mining, a company that we've traded in the past. Don't hold it right now. TSX Venture INM announced it intersected 58.5 meters of 82.6 grams ton of silver. This is at their La Chingada silver project in Mexico. They also hit 11.5 meters of 80 grams and 83 meters of 37.5 grams. Those are both silver. Closed yesterday 38 cents, on Friday. 52-week range, $1 on the high, 6 cents on the low. This has been a wicked trader. This morning, they're down 9%. Again, early, only 8,000 shares, but it's down to 34.5. So not a big reaction out of this news. Maybe they're waiting for something better. Bidding 33, 36 right now. But it is early, and I'm sure a lot of it also has to do with the fact that general equity markets are weaker today. Moving next to Andina Minerals, TSX Venture, ADM. They put out an initial resource estimate. This on one area of their Vulcan gold project. Looks at contained gold, 135,000 ounces, inferred gold, 168,000 ounces. So they're just getting started there. This project is located in Chile, but that's a great start. Something to keep an eye on. $1.16 is where they closed Friday. Pretty much at the 52-week low of $1.13, whereas their high is $1.94. Andina this morning, a slow up 2 cents, 1.72%, but that's under 1,000 shares right now. So too early to tell how the market's going to react to that. Argentex Mining, ATX on the venture, AGXMF for our friends in the U.S. They announced that they drilled 9 meters of 2.63 grams ton of gold and 683 grams ton of silver. This at their Pinguino project located in Argentina. The drilling program there at 19,700 meters and 206 holes. This is a major operation here, so they're taking this seriously, and they're saying that approximately 25% of the holes are remaining to be processed in the lab. So look for continual news to be coming out of this company regarding their drill results over the next several weeks. Closed Friday, 80 cents, $1.70 on the 52-week high, 53 cents on the low. Argentex this morning flat, 12,000 shares, bidding 79 to 80, so pretty much flat right now. It's early, but if I know anything about my good friend Peter Ball over there, he's going to do some good stuff with this, so congratulations to Peter on that news. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 5 great press releases for you this morning. If you look for more great small cap resource companies specifically, and you watch this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of Agoracom, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines out of all small cap industries to my right, and get into our directory to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. We'll see you tomorrow.